What up, chat? Oh. Hope you guys are doing well. I certainly haven't been for the past week. If some of you guys watch my channel, you know that I haven't posted in like 2 weeks or something like that. Hopefully I'm in frame. But that's because 1 week I was in Texas for MotoGP, and then after that I got sick, and then I also had some family problems come up, but I'm feeling better now. Not the best, but good enough to go ride. Obviously I didn't think it was a good idea to ride while sick, because you lose like I feel like you lose your strength, you use like your decision making, brain power, everything like that, man. So I just didn't feel like it was a good idea to ride, but we're out today. God, it's so hot. Whew. But today in this video, I just wanted to go over my my GoPro setup for you guys, because I know some of you guys have asked, and I try to clarify like as much as I can in the comments about what I do, but I figured I'd go into depth into this video and just show you guys the whole setup. I'm actually recording on I'm recording myself on a DJI Action 4 right now that I just bought. So, but yeah. So I'll give you guys my setup, and then I also want to tell you guys the setup that I recommend you do, because it's better than mine, and I plan on switching to it soon. So, but yeah. So I'll show you guys my GoPro setup, then I'll hop on the bike and then show you or talk about the setup that I think you should get. Alright, peace. Alright, so obviously you guys know this is my helmet. I have the AGV K6S, it's called, and it's like the most lightweight helmet that you can get. And there's my GoPro, the GoPro Hero 12. So I'm in a parking garage right now, so I don't want to speak too loud, but I don't know how the mic quality is on this thing, so hopefully this works. But let's get into it. First I'll say, I don't know if I'm a huge fan of the GoPro. I know some people love it, some people hate it, but it really hasn't given me any problems, except for like the touchscreen thingy kind of sucks. It's like super fidgety and just not very good in my opinion. But for the setup, I just have like the basic setup that pretty much everybody does that you watch, and I think it gives a pretty crisp audio. You guys can watch some of my other videos to see what it sounds like, but I think it sounds pretty good. So we'll also start off how it's mounted. So first I have a chin mount from CHINMOUNTS.com, and I'll throw everything in the description of what I have. But I have a chin mount from CHINMOUNTS.com, and then I also have like the chin mount action pack, I think it might be called. But yeah, that gives you like the little swing arm swivel to put the GoPro up like this, because you really don't want the GoPro in your vision, because that's like a big no-no. You won't be able to see everything. So you kind of have to swivel it up like that for this helmet in specific. But you can get a chin mount for any single helmet that exists. Just look it up on CHINMOUNTS.com. Okay, and then ND filters. ND filters are huge. You definitely want some of those. It's like sunglasses for your camera. I think some of you guys have seen me talk about that in my videos. And then let's go to the inside. So for my microphone is right here. It's like clipped on. Can you guys even see that? It's like clipped onto the cheek pad, and there's wires routing throughout the entire helmet. So it goes all the way around the inside liner, and then it comes out and clips right here. And that's what gives me like the crisp audio with the wind muff. And it's also close to my cheek pad. It's not directly in my mouth, so I think that helps too. But yeah, boys, that's pretty much the setup. I mean, I really don't know much I can tell you. But I can put everything in the description. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments, and I'll tell you guys what to do. But yeah, GoPro Hero 12, chin mount, little chin action mount thing, a lavalier mic. Oh, I'll put the mic in the description too. And yeah, yeah, you just gotta rattle it around and it should be good. Should be all set. But let me tell you guys the 10 times easier way that I wish I would have done this setup, which I might actually change to. That's why I bought a DJI. Alright, what am I supposed to be talking about? Oh yeah. Hopefully that wasn't a cop. Alright, so the best setup, the best motovlog setup in my opinion, starts with the DJI Action 4 or Action 5. They're like literally the best camera in the game, man. I bought that DJI Action 4 that I talked about yesterday, and I mean I already love it 10 times like more than the GoPro Hero 12. I mean, it like just the like user, the like touchscreen page or whatever is like way easier to maneuver around. I mean the quality to me with no ND filter is already 10 times better, and it's definitely way lighter, which is a plus for motovlogging, because the GoPro is so heavy, especially when you need the media mod. Oh, I didn't talk about that in my setup. I also have the media mod. That's a need to plug into your, like your microphone into your GoPro. You need the media mod, which is like another $100 item to add on to the already expensive GoPro. So it definitely is kind of an annoying setup, but hey. It definitely is an annoying setup, but yeah, man. Another plus about the DJI, what I love the most about it is you can buy a wireless microphone and you can like Bluetooth to the camera, and it's wireless motovlogging. So I could like speak to you guys with just like a little microphone that I just threw into my helmet. And you don't need to have the whole like wire set up through your helmet. And that gets super annoying quick, because I mean it just routes through your helmet, and to me it looks kind of ugly. Oh shit! Here, let me in here, G. But yeah, it just gets super annoying quick, and it looks hideous on your helmet, in my opinion. So, but yeah, the DJI Action 4, Action 5 with the DJI Mic 2 Mini, I think it's called, and then you could just Bluetooth it to your camera, and just kind of like clip it on like the little chin. If you have like a chin curtain on your helmet, you can clip it there, or you could get, it comes with a little magnet, so you could put like adhesive tape or whatever on the magnet, and then tape that to the inside of your helmet, and then just throw the microphone on the helmet, and it's just seamless, man. So that's what I'm definitely gonna upgrade to. You guys can go with my setup if you want to, but if I were to recommend a setup, man, I look into the DJIs, because they are changing the game. I definitely wish I got a DJI versus a GoPro originally. Alright, now I gotta figure out where freaking Five Guys is. Max 30-minute parking. Boys, that's what I'm going to do for today's video. Sorry if it was a short one, but you know, I'm not feeling the best, so hopefully I'll feel better soon, and then I can drop some good videos for you guys again. But thank you all for the support on the past videos, and sorry I took a break, and yeah, I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace!